Hello, I'm Tetris, and today we will be doing items. Now, before we did a bunch of stats. We did attack, defense, agility, critical. Oh, that's it. Oh, we also did health. But we need another way of getting stats besides just going up to these things and asking them for them. So what we're going to do is we're going to come up with items. Now we already have guitar, but the problem is guitar doesn't really do anything besides give us a longer range. So what I have to do is I have to create a script called item script. It's called that. And I also have to give the player stats. I have to give the player slots, rather. Sorry, it's just booting up. Okay. And so slots are gonna function very similarly to the stats. Public dictionary string game object slots equals new dictionary string game object.
I'm trying to keep down the time I'm taking, so you're not really missing anything. It's just me putting in the slot names.
And accessories are for later. There might be their own separate thing. Okay, so now we have to make a script called equip item. Also use item script item. And we'll do if item dot slot if slots item dot slot for I, because slot items can occupy multiple slots, right? So we'll check for that. For I, and obviously there's going to be like an inventory system, whatever. So, but for now we need this. So that's what we're going to do. For I, for each string slot in item.slots. Yeah, none of these variables exist, but I'm just saying, you know, if slots item.slot, if not, rather, slots item.slot. What am I doing? Okay, sorry. Slots slot equals item dot game object. Okay. So now that's obviously not going to work if we don't have item script. So what item script needs is its own stats. So I'm basically just going to clone this, take this from the stats of the item script of the blue hero movement thing, and that's what they're gonna have. Okay, so we're gonna do void equip, and we're gonna do loot hero movement player, and we're gonna do for each. Oh, no, I don't think you can do that. Actually, can you do that? Hold on. Okay, I got it, sorry. Okay, so for each key value pair, yeah, string float in stats, key value pair, key v in stats, key v dot key. Alright, player dot stats dot key v key plus equals key v dot value. Wait. Okay, that's simple. That's simple. It's easy. Now we need our slots. Public string slots. Again, please let me know if you have like better ideas for what I'm doing, because I'm trying really hard, but sometimes I just can't think of the right solutions. So now that we have that, guitar should have slots. Yep. And oh shoot. Okay.
So I struggled trying to figure out what to do. At first I planned to use a struct to reference the values, but then I considered the pointlessness of that idea and decided against it. I eventually defined all of the variables individually and stored them in the dictionary for easy access.
Okay. Alright, and there you go. So, let's think about what a guitar has. Guitar's pretty big in this universe, so put one attack. It doesn't really help you defend anything, but I'll give it time anyways. Agility, no. Critical, sure, let's be nice. Health, no. And we'll do weapon 1. Okay, so now I'm going to make a equipping station, because, you know, so the player can get the stats from the guitar. So I'm just going to do that off screen. Alright, so I'll use this whenever I want to get a random or given or a preset item. This is basically just, you know, like a little item generator machine. So I'll code it, and we'll do the thing. We'll give stats to the player. Now I could actually break this guitar up into different parts. So I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna break it up into sprites, into a sprite rather. So I'm just gonna do that right now. So I have the guitar now, and I put the hitbox on there. Now, sorry old friend, but you're impractical. Bam. Hitbox 2.0, the guitar 2.0. And so basically I'm just coding the equipment station. I noticed that I didn't do a lot of explaining in my last videos, so I'm gonna work on that. This is basically just finding out if the player's sitting on the equipment station, and if they're pressing the up arrow key, then load the slot. Oh, wait. Find the slots that are the children of the player, like you know, weapon 1, armor set, weapon 2, and for each game object in there, load the item stats from the item script. I've decided to separate large weapon from weapon 1. Alright, so what I did was that I reorganized it a little bit. I did something dumb by having this as the item script as a little logically confusing, so I decided to move it all the way into the player's script. So now that's its entire own thing. Alright, so let's try this out. Unity exception. Oh, I don't have to put anything. Okay, cool. That's it. Okay, this should work. This is the final plus. I swear, this is gonna work. This is gonna be like the best thing ever. It's gonna be like, watch. Bro, it worked. Alright, I got it working. I guess that was the last issue. You can see in the console that it says that I equipped it. So now I have shirts, and I have pants. Wonderful. And I do 2 damage now. So that's really cool. Yeah, so my function worked. Now, in the next part, we're gonna do item upgrades, and that will require me to make a color palette for the sprite. But for now, this is really all we have to do. I'll make a new item later, but for now, we'll stick with the pants and the guitar. See ya.